One day, a long time ago, a man was driving, in his truck. He was driving when the man he saw a sign. He saw a sign. And the sign said, talking dog for sale. A talking dog for sale. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English on Autopilot. And today we are talking about a talking dog. Dogs don't talk. Dogs bark. Woof, woof. Dogs don't speak English. But the man saw the sign that said the person in this old and broken house was selling a talking dog. The man stopped. He stopped the truck, and of course, he got out. He got out of the truck and he went around the house to the backyard to see the talking dog. In the backyard, the man saw the dog. And the man, he didn't know what to do. So the man spoke. He said, Can you speak? Can you speak like me? And the dog said, yes. The dog spoke. The dog said, yes, I can speak. The man was shocked. He said, but dogs don't speak. The dog said, I speak. And the man, he couldn't believe it. After he relaxed and recovered from the shock, the man asked the dog. He said, so, what is your story? How? What is your life like? What happened? The dog said, well, when people understood that I could speak, I was contacted people from the CIA, people that worked in the Central Intelligence Agency, where the people are spies, where they spy on other countries. They asked me to work in the CIA, and I worked for 8 years. 8 years in the CIA. I met and listened to presidents of countries around the world. I listened to, I spied, I listened to princes and kings around the world. Because people don't think that dogs can understand and listen and tell the secrets that they speak about. The man, he couldn't believe it. And the dog said, I made a lot of money. I made a lot of money. But, after 8 years traveling around the world and working hard, I was tired. Dogs don't live as long as humans. Dogs, they die earlier, around 10 years, 12 years. And I was tired. I wanted to have a family. And I retired. I stopped working at the CIA. And I fell in love. I fell in love with another dog. And we had babies. We had puppies. Baby dogs. We had puppies. The man was shocked. And the man, he liked the dog. The dog was interesting. The dog was very interesting. The man went and rang the doorbell. Ding dong, ding dong. And the owner of the house opened the door. The man asked, how much money, how much do you want for the dog? And the man said, $10. The man who drove the truck, what? $10? He couldn't believe it. But why is it so cheap? A talking dog should be expensive. And he worked in the CIA. He knows secrets about the world. He is amazing. The man at the door responded, I am selling the dog for $10 because the dog has never left the house. He's never left the yard. The dog is a liar. The dog doesn't tell the truth. And that is the story of the talking dog. Would you want a dog that speaks? Put it in the comments below. I don't know. No, I don't think so. What about you? Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching more videos of Comprehensible Input right here with English on Autopilot. And we will see each other in the next video. Bye. Woof, woof, woof.